I'm going to talk about the two-stroke gasoline engine and two-stroke diesel engine. And we are going to check the main difference in between both of them. Talking about the two-stroke diesel engine and four-stroke diesel, the four-stroke diesel have intake valves, exhaust valve, camshaft, and crankshaft. Four-stroke. In two-stroke diesel, you only have exhaust valves. Why? Because the intake, the air, is produced in one side of the block in the bottom. Why? Because the cylinder in a two-stroke diesel engine have holes here, some holes like this, holes in the bottom. In front of those holes is located the supercharger or blower, introducing air. You see the holes that I draw here? It's like an oval, hole, 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 hole. All of the bottom of this cylinder is with holes. What is the meaning of that? Pay attention. And here I have a blower. What is the meaning of blower? It's a supercharger, no? Introduce, this is the air filter, suction air, compress the air with the roots, and enter the air at high pressure through the roots. Why? Because the piston is in the bottom. That's clear? When the piston is in the bottom, enter air at high pressure. Ready? And now, the piston goes up and close those ports when the piston pass in front of this. Ready? And no more air enter. And compress the air. Pure air, pure air, pure air, pure air, pure air is compressed. When the air is fully compressed, what happens? Inject the fuel. The fuel enter here. The fuel is atomized, liquid, and produce the explosion and send the piston down and fill the cylinder with smoke, with gases. When the piston is going down, immediately the piston reaches the bottom. Just before the piston reaches the bottom, the exhaust valve open, allow that the gases goes out and enter fresh air, and the fresh air pushes the gases out. You understand? You only have exhaust valves. Once again, when the piston is going down, it's produced at the same time intake of air and exhaust of gases. Gases here. Ready? Intake and exhaust in one stroke. And now when the piston is going up, it's produced compression, and just before the piston reaches top the center, the fuel enter and produce explosion. Compression and power at the same time, and intake and exhaust in the other one. Two strokes. Okay. Wow. In diesel, two strokes, you have a dipstick here with the handle to check the level of oil. You have oil. And you have exhaust valves. In two-stroke gasoline engine, you don't have oil in the oil pan, because the oil is mixed outside with the fuel and the air. You understand, guys? Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay, this is two-stroke gasoline engine, and this is two-stroke diesel. The liner have holes in the bottom to allow that the air enter at high pressure. What is the name of this? This is the supercharger or blower. In some cases, that blower is electric to introduce air plus boost pressure. The idea in diesel is introduce the maximum amount of air as possible.
So with a two-stroke diesel, you have to have
yeah, you have to have a supercharger. And you identify a two-stroke diesel engine because you have the blower in one side in the bottom. Normally the people say, no, I open the valve cover and I see valves. Yeah, but those are exhaust valves.